1. Hi everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that's been gaining a lot of popularity in recent years: options trading. 2. Options trading is a financial instrument that allows you to bet on the future price movements of a stock, commodity, or currency. 3. In this video, we'll cover the basics of options trading, how it works, and why it might be a good fit for you. Part 1. What are options? 1. Options are contracts that give the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price on or before a certain date. 2. There are two types of options: call options and put options. 3. Call options give the buyer the right to buy the underlying asset at the strike price, while put options give the buyer the right to sell the underlying asset at the strike price. 4. The strike price is the price at which the option can be exercised. Part 2. How does options trading work? 1. Options trading works by speculating on the future price movements of the underlying asset. 2. If you think the stock price will go up, you can buy a call option, and if you think the stock price will go down, you can buy a put option. 3. Options traders aim to make a profit by correctly predicting the price movements of the underlying asset. 4. However, it's important to note that options trading is a high-risk, high-reward game, and it's not suitable for everyone. Part 3. Advantages of options trading. 1. One of the biggest advantages of options trading is that it allows you to leverage your capital, meaning you can control a large amount of stock for a fraction of the cost. 2. Options trading also allows you to hedge your portfolio, reducing your exposure to market risks. 3. Additionally, options trading is highly flexible, allowing you to take advantage of a wide range of market conditions. Part 4. Conclusion. 1. To summarize, options trading is a financial instrument that allows you to bet on the future price movements of a stock, commodity, or currency. 2. It offers a range of benefits, including the ability to leverage your capital, hedge your portfolio, and take advantage of a wide range of market conditions. 3. However, it's important to remember that options trading is a high-risk, high-reward game, and it's not suitable for everyone. 4. If you're interested in options trading, it's crucial to do your research and educate yourself on the risks and rewards involved. 5. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has provided you with a solid foundation on options trading.